Hi guys, so today is something new. I'm going to try using Elmer's Glue-All as my pouring medium. I've never done it before and I'm just curious to see how it will work. So I mixed my pouring medium 70% to 30% water. So 70% glue to 30% water with these colors. I do want to take a second and say thank you so much to my supporters. Because of you guys, I am able to continue to bring these art videos to you. And it's because of the patrons who support me and my channel. There's a link to the PayPal in the description box where small donations are welcome. And it's because of you guys and my viewers that keep this channel going. There was a comment made last video about me asking for support, and the comment was made by a fellow artist who said, please stop begging, it gets old. I just wanted to say to any of you who I hope that you do not consider asking for support begging. I have to say YouTube channel is an incredible amount of work. And unless you are a fellow content creator, you just probably don't know all of the work that goes into making a channel. Yet it's a lot. Many times I spend 2 or 3 times the amount of time just putting the video out as I do creating the artwork. So it's a lot. And the support that I get on my channel helps make it worth it, and also helps cover some of the cost of the materials and time. This is a free teaching platform, so I'm pretty blessed to be able to teach and excited to share with you. So thanks so much for supporting me, you guys. Now, this is strange. I'm doing a flip cup, and if you watch my channel, I can say I don't do many flip cups. I've done maybe 10 flip cups in my whole channel probably, and never been like a huge fan of flip cups. I feel like they're harder for me to control the outcome, but I wanted to try this and see if I could get some pretty looking cells with the flip cup. So the one thing I noticed about the Elmer's Glue-All, it's very, very, very sticky. I mean, it's glue. It's supposed to be sticky, right? But I have to say, yeah, it was very thick and viscous. It definitely has a totally different texture than if you're using Floetrol or another different kind of pouring medium. And it was stringy a little bit. I guess that would be the word I would use. It definitely has like a little pull to it when you are stirring it and lifting up the stirring stick. And also I notice you can see when I'm layering it in the cup, it kind of stays on top for the most part. That little bit I just put in was satin enamel, that white, so it sunk down, but the other colors really stay and they sit nicely on top of each other. So immediately you understand it's a great way to layer your colors without having a lot of them mixed together in the cup. So that would be immediately my mind thought, oh, it would be good for a ring pour. And that's what I did on that last cup. So that's 3 total cups I used for this. 2 flip cups and a traveling ring pour around the outside. Now, immediately I notice it takes time for some of the colors to kind of pop through on this one. And I, at first, am not very excited, to be honest. I'm not very excited about the way this is looking. I like the watery look to it, and but when I did my balloon rolls at first, I was thinking, Let's see, because if it's more, if it's thicker, like the way that Glue-All is, maybe the balloon rolls will stay. So I decided to just do some really gentle, sort of soft looking balloon rolls. And I thought maybe I could make something that looked kind of like a wave or whatever, because this is kind of an oceanic feel to it. So you see, I'm just kind of giving some soft wave looking rolls. People always ask for tutorials on my balloon rolls. And all I can say to that, and I'll try to link right here if I remember, but I have a playlist with 30 or 40 paintings showing my balloon rolls, and I just don't know what else to say. I don't know how to do a tutorial on them, because really all I'm doing is just using a glove. I cut off the fingers of the glove, I blow up the glove, and then I just roll it. Now the one thing I want to say here is, so see how when I did my roll right there, it's just blue, it's not really showing any pretty definition. So I added some satin enamel white to my glove, just in a drizzle pattern, nothing special, and I rolled it back over the top. And that made the prettiest designs, very feather-like. And I still want to do a collab with Sandra for a beautiful peacock or bird using my balloon rolls as the feather. I just, seems like I never get a chance to paint very much anymore these days. But look at how it just, man, it just added so much interest. And because it's so sticky, they really stayed. They didn't fall in themselves. Like, that's one thing that Floetrol seems to do. It kind of seems to fall in on itself. And so those of you who are having trouble with balloon rolls, I'm telling you, this might be the secret weapon for you. Because they really, really, really stay. Watch this one, you guys. I'm just being very delicate. I did most of these in real time so you could see. And then what I decided to do was I wanted to add some depth. And look at that. I put the dark blue on my balloon and gave it a little roll. And look at that depth, you guys. So I added the depth. I added the highlights with the white. And I added the depth with the dark blue again. And now look at how pretty that turned out. So I am loving what's happening right there. So I went through and added a little bit more depth to each one of those balloon rolls. And just look at it, just brought the whole painting to life. I'm pretty excited about the way this one looks. And I'm gonna say it did not dry as vibrant, glossy, or shiny as when I just use golden paints and the Floetrol. It did not. And so I'm just being honest, it did not dry as vibrant. But that vibrancy, I think, will come back with the right kind of varnish. I'm just taking a little picture here for you guys so I can document that. And look how pretty that looks. I just love that one. So many gorgeous balloon rolls. This painting is still available. It has not sold, and if you're interested in it, you can always contact me through my website at heathermaderart.com or on Facebook at Heather Mader Art or Instagram. I'm Heather Mader Art at all social media. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I make more art videos just for you. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.